Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you do any wood-fired cooking, you know that one of the most important ingredients is actually the wood itself. So I want to show you this awesome kiln-dried oak wood from Old Potters because this has made my cooking experience so much more convenient and tasty. So kiln-dried wood is perfect for cooking with because it ignites faster and it has a hotter and cleaner burn. So it actually produces less smoke and it also has a really consistent fire. So that's perfect when you're cooking in a pizza oven and you're trying to maintain a really high temperature and know what to expect when you're cooking with it. Cooking with a natural oak also adds a nice flavor to your food. It just imparts a nice smokiness, a really distinct oak flavor, but it's not overpowering and it's really delicious. Old Potters has several varieties of wood as well, including cherry and hickory, so you can really experiment with seeing what type of flavor the wood itself brings to your dishes. The size on these is absolutely perfect for a pizza oven. They're about 6 inches long and between 1/2 to 1.5 inches thick. So they really stack up nicely and they fit perfectly inside. So it just makes it super convenient to have logs that are already the absolute perfect size so you can just start cooking and not have to worry about the fuel itself. So we have been super happy with this pizza oven wood from Old Potters. I love the fact that they are the perfect size for the pizza oven, so it just makes everything a little bit easier and more convenient. I love that it adds a delicious smoky flavor to our food, and I love that they generate a really high quality fire that just helps our end product to come out even better. So if you're ready to make your next wood-fired cooking experience a little bit more convenient and more delicious, then definitely check out this pizza oven wood from Old Potters. I think you'll be really happy with it as well, and that's my point of view.